Let us discuss some properties of cubes of natural numbers. Property 1. Cubes of all even natural numbers are even. We know 2 is an even number and its cube, that is 2 cube equals 8. 8 is also an even number. Next, 4 is an even number and the cube of 4, that is 4 cube is equal to 64 and 64 is also an even number. Second property, cubes of all odd natural numbers are odd. For example, 3 is an odd number and its cube equals 27. Again, 5 is an odd number and its cube is 125. Here 125 is an odd number, 27 is also an odd number. Property 3. The sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. For example, let us consider first 3 natural numbers. They are 1, 2, 3. Now, the sum of the cubes of these 3 numbers is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equal to the square of their sum, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 the whole square. We know 1 cube is 1 plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 cube is 27, that's equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 square. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 27 equals 36, that's equal to 6 square is 36. So, the third property says the sum of the cubes of first n natural number. Here n is any natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. Fourth property, cubes of the numbers ending in digits 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 are the numbers ending in the same digit. For example, we know 11 is a number ending in digit 1 and its cube, that is 11 cube is 1331, is also ending in the same digit. Another number 21. 21 is ending in digit 1 and its cube, that is 21 cube is equal to 9261, is a number ending in the same digit 1. Now, 14 is a number ending in digit 4 and the cube of 14 is 2744, is a number ending in the same digit. Another example 24. 24 is ending in digit 4 and its cube is 13824, is a number ending with the same digit. Now 15 is a number ending in digit 5 and the cube of 15 is 3375, which is a number ending in the same digit, that is 5. Next, 25. 25 is a number ending in digit 5 and the cube of 25 is 15,625, is also ending in the same digit 5. Next, let us consider the number 16. 16 is a number ending in digit 6 and the cube of 16 is 4096, which is also ending in the same digit 6. Next, 26 is also ending in digit 6 and the cube of 26 is 17,576, which is also ending in the same digit 6. Now, 19 is a number ending in digits 9 and the cube of this 19 is 6,859, is also ending in the same digit 9. Cubes of the numbers ending in digit 2 ends in 8 and cubes of numbers ending in digit 8 ends in digit 2. For example, we know 12 is a natural number ending in digit 2 and the cube of 12 is 1728, which ends the digit 8. 22 is also a number ending in digit 2 and the cube of 22 is 10648, which ends in 8. At the same time, we can explain the numbers ending in digit 8 ends in digit 2. For example, 18 is a number which is ending in digit 2 and the cube of 18 is equal to 5832, which ends in digit 2. 28 is also a number which ends in digit 8 and the cube of 28 is 21,952, which ends in digit 2. Cubes of the numbers ending in digit 3 and 7 ends in digit 7 and 3 respectively. For example, we know 13 is a number ends in digit 3 and the cube of 13 is 2197, which ends in digit 7. And also 17 is a number ends in digit 7 and the cube of 17 is 4913, which ends in digit 3. Next property, cubes of even numbers are always even. For example, 2 is an even number. The cube of 2 is 8, is also an even number. 6 is an even number. Cube of 6 equals 216, which is also an even number. Next, cubes of odd numbers are always odd. For example, 7 is an odd number and the cube of 7 is 343 is also an odd number. 9 is an odd number and the cube of 9 is 729 is also an odd number. Property 6. Unit digit of cube of any number will be the unit digit of the cube of its last digit. That is, let us consider a number 29. And we know unit digit of 29 cube is equal to unit digit of 9 cube. And we know unit digit of 9 cube is, 9 cube is 729 and the unit digit of 9 cube is 9. So the unit digit of 29 cube is also 9. Let us consider another number 1005. And we know the unit digit of 1005 cube is equal to unit digit of 5 cube, and we know 5 cube is 125. So here this 5 is the unit digit of 1005 cube. Next property, cube of a negative integer is always negative. For example, -1 is a negative integer and its cube is -1 into -1 into -1, that's equal to -1. Another example, -2 is a negative integer and its cube is -2 into -2 into -2, that's equal to -8. Next property, number of zeros at the end of a perfect cube is always multiples of 3. That is, the number of zeros at the end of a perfect cube can be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. For example, we know 1000 is a perfect cube. So the number of zeros are 3. Another number 27 million is a perfect cube and the number of zeros at the end of this perfect cube is 6, which is also a multiple of 3. And we know 400 is not a perfect cube. Why? Because the number of zeros at the end is not a multiple of 3. So 400 is not a perfect cube. Like 80,000 is not a perfect cube because the number of zeros at the end is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, 80,000 is not a perfect cube.